here's an opportunity for you to choose your sets. So I have some sets for you, number 19, and this is a beautiful casual necklace that you can use any combinations that you choose. Okay, so you can put your 4-piece set together or your 3-piece. However, if you do get 4 pieces, I will give you a gift. So here they are. So your options are for this beautiful bracelet, and you can look at the charms here. This is your black and silver, and this piece comes in also a like teal and silver, which is really beautiful. So it is the same design with a different color, and we also have the beautiful like a fuchsia and black and silver. So these are all the same designs that goes perfectly with this amazing necklace on number 19. Of course, they all come with earrings. And then you also have this cuff bracelet. Beautiful. And you can see the contour of the design. Ever so strong and elegant. And we also have, you can mix and match any of the rings as well. So again, they're very meticulous in their design. Okay, and just for a little extra, you could also take a look at this kind of leaf cuff bracelet as well. That can go with any of these sets for number 19. We do have something a little more elegant, and that is this beautiful, beautiful chain and rhinestones. Of course, they have the matching earrings. Okay, and look how beautiful. Okay, that's really gorgeous. And there is one of very many rings that you could match with it, but that's what's on this display as of now. And then we have these beautiful hoops that can go with anything. So you can match that up with number 19, or you can just buy it all alone. But again, detail and the design structure is gorgeous. It's like a black and silver as well, with the indentation that gives a little more formation. And then we're going to go over here to number 20, and this is beautiful, part of our Fashion Fix line. Let's see if we can get a clear picture of those earrings. Okay. Alright, and it has this like pleather look on the necklace, along with this beautiful structure. Let's get you a close-up here of these trio circles on the pendant. And they also have some beautiful earrings. Let's see if we can get a good look at that. So the beautiful earrings that go with this, kind of similar to those hoops, but this is slightly different, but it definitely gives some class to the design. So those are some options you can choose from. Just pick your number. Pull out of number 20. 19 has a wide variety, but you can choose whatever you want. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bracelets available for you. We have these beautiful rings available for you, and one of many. There's more if you need more. And then we have this beautiful selection here. Very pretty. So I encourage you to pick your number. Thank you.